Hi there, I'm Stephanie, and I'm a Zenfolio expert. In this guide, I'll show you how to purchase photos and products as a visitor to your photographer's site. Let's say I've shared this Fort Fisher gallery with you and you'd like to make a purchase. Once you're there visiting the gallery, click on the green shop button, and from here, you can shop all of the available products that the photographer is offering. If you do not see the green shop button in the upper right-hand corner, it's best to contact your photographer directly and let them know that you're interested in making a purchase. From here, you can select prints that you'd like to purchase. Let's say we want small prints. Click the Select Prints button and choose which images. Let's select the top 3. Once you've selected photos that you're wanting to have printed with the product, you can then check and edit the cropping of the photos as well as preview the photo to see how it would look in the product previewer. From this page, you'll also be able to select various options that might be available for the print type like paper, framing, quantity of prints, and more. For this, it's just set to e-surface. And let's say that we want 2 prints and go ahead and add it to the cart. Once you've added items to your cart, you'll see a number appear up here in the cart icon. Click on the shopping cart and you'll be able to see the products that you've selected. Lastly, you'll check out and follow the steps to complete your purchase. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive an email confirmation that contains a unique order number, and you can refer to this order number in the event that you need to communicate with your photographer or with Zenfolio customer support about the order. I hope this has been helpful, but as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.